Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan AutoWorks. Today we are working on a W212 EIS that we are going to renew. So we've already calculated the key password. We're going to need the key password and the eraser password. I've already saved all the files, but what we're going to have to do is you're going to paste your key password. Then we're going to get our eraser password. Once we have that, we're going to go to Renew EIS. Insert the IR adapter, take out and again. So we'll take the IR adapter out of the EIS. I'll one-hand it here, put it back in. It has erased the EIS. So now we're going to go to read EIS data. And you can see at the top here, it is initialized, TP cleared, personalized, and activated is unchecked. So now everything is cleared out. We'll be able to reuse this EIS. Like I said, in order to do this, you have to calculate your key password first, and then you will need your eraser password. Now, you definitely want to make note of the key password because the key password will be used to reprogram the EIS. But that is how you erase and renew the EIS W212. Super easy using Xsource.